Hey there! Welcome to the Staubli guide for mc4 and mc4 Evo 2 product assembly process. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the assembly process, making a specific point to highlight the importance of crimping. The main point behind this video is to complement the official Staubli Assembly Manual 231, which can be downloaded from our website.
The first component you want to prepare is the wire. Make sure your wire is intended for photovoltaic applications. The wire should not be damaged or oxidized. You should use a wire which is tin-plated. No PVC wire should be used. Now let's prepare the wire. The first step is to cut the wire. Use an appropriate wire cutter that can cut multi-stranded PV wires. Cut the wire to the desired length and verify that the cut is performed correctly. Now you need to strip the wire. Use a suitable PV wire stripping tool. Make sure the blades are performing appropriately. Now to strip the wire. Check the stripping length ranges and respect the given tolerances. Select the correct wire gauge. Strip the wire to the desired length and verify the cut. All strands should be undamaged. The length of the stripped section of the wire should be within the tolerances. Always remember to confirm that you are within the tolerances. Now you've reached a crucial step in your assembly process. Crimping. A fundamental consideration at this point is to use the correct crimping pliers qualified by the manufacturer to ensure a certified procedure. We recommend using the Staubli mc4 Evo 2 harmonized crimping pliers to achieve an IEC 62852 certified field installation. Now let's dive into the crimping process. Pay close attention. Bad crimping is a common source of installation failures. Open the pliers and hold them firmly. Hold the pliers sideways. Press to open the clamp and hold. Find the appropriate cross-section range for your wire and insert the metal crimp contact. To facilitate the insertion, slightly press the locator downwards. Once the contact is in the crimping pliers, align it until it looks like a letter U, like this. Great! Now let's slightly close the crimping tool and confirm that the die is dropping down equally on the connector body. Also, make sure that the crimp anvil is closing in alignment with the metal crimp terminal. Carefully hold your crimping pliers in place and take your pre-cut stripped PV wire. Insert the stripped end of the PV wire into the metal crimp contact until the strands come up against the clamp, as far as it will allow. You want to hit against that bail that is on the other side. Sometimes you could even hear it tapping. Now hold the crimping pliers in place and pre-close them until they are grabbing onto the wire to preserve the alignment and position of the strands. We are now going to fully cycle the crimping pliers. Sometimes a click is audible. Once fully cycled, let go of the pliers and open the bail to release the crimped contact. Once you've crimped the contact on, it's very important that you visually inspect the crimp. Here are the things that you're looking for. All the strands have been caught in this crimp sleeve. No strands should be hanging out or pointing out in different directions. The crimp sleeve is not deformed or missing any portion of the crimp flaps. Both sides of the crimp must be symmetric, which means that they have to be the same size. Verify that you see what's called the brush on the other side of the crimp. This is where you can see the strands protruding on the other side of the crimp. And make sure that the distance between the back of the crimp and the insulation is not more than 1 millimeter.